Hi everyone, it's Sadie with Creative Memories Happy Album, and today I want to show you the Happy Album Planner Bundle. Everything comes in this drawstring bag that says Be Happy on the front. You'll also get this really cute travel case with a nice pocket on the back for all your materials. You will get this double-sided Creative Memories pen, a repositional tape runner to adhere all of your pages into your Happy Album. This is a really awesome tool because if you mess up, you can still take the paper off and reposition it. You'll also get all of these designer pages, a title page, and all of these calendar pages. They're all blank, so you can start your year at any month. You'll also get these really cute stickers to customize your planner and also decorate it. Lastly, you will get this beautiful cashmere blue Happy Album that says 2019 on the front, and it comes with page protectors and pre-designed pages. So now that you've seen everything that comes in this bundle, let's take a look at my planner. Well, I'm so excited for you guys to get your Happy Album Planner Bundle. For more inspiration, come check out our Instagram page at BeHappyAlbum. Make sure to use #HappyAlbum so I can see what you guys are creating.